How to use Google Earth Studio. So if you want to use Google Earth Studio, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your browser. I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to go for the search, and under search, you need to type www.google.com/earth/studio/ and then hit the enter. Now you need to go for the upper right, which has that Try Earth Studio option. Simply click on that and then choose the Google account in which you would like to log in, and then click on continue. And here you need to sign up. So enter your first and last name, and then the email address, the company or the organization, country, and then choose the category, and then enter something. How will you use Earth Studio? You need to enter, for example, I'll be writing for testing purposes, and then hit the submit. And once you've done, now on the next tab, you need to type for https://earth.google.com/studio, or you can simply visit this. Click on it and it will take you to that website. Accept, click on this and then accept. Click on the blank project, click on drop down. Now click on the drop down of blank project and then click on quick starts. And here you will find 4 different templates. Select any template that you would like and then click on start. Now on the search bar, search your first point. Like here, I searched for New York and clicked on the right arrow button, which is here on the right side. And now search your second point set, which is Statue of Liberty, and then again go for the arrow, which is on the right side. And now you will see the animation from the New York City to Statue of Liberty. So you can simply drag this and then you can find it. Now you can simply go for the tick button, and this will take you to the timeline of the animation, and from here you can readjust or edit your animation here. Once you're happy with your Google animation, then click on the render button, which is on the top right. Give a name to your file, and then you can simply click on start and you will render that. So that's how you can use your Google Earth Studio, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.